Okay.
This number one. What do you think about this country in Indonesia?
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Oh, we really like it.
It's a beautiful
Yeah.
country.
It's a beautiful country and the people are friendly. So
Yeah.
and the sun is shining. So very hot.
Yes.
Very hot.
And then one more. Give me three difference between your country and Indonesia, Belanda and Indonesia.
The weather. In Belanda now it's snowing,
Yeah.
and in Belanda we don't have mountains.
Yeah.
And the food on the street we don't have.
Oh. Yeah.
Ada makanan di street gitu
Yeah.
ya, beran-beran.
The food in indoor.
Yes.
Only
Or a
restaurant.
drive-through.
That's right. Oh, okay. And harga apa sih harga?
Nice.
Harga
Price